Okay guys, I'm going to show you quickly how you can paste on to your Google Slides. So for this activity, you're going to do something very similar to this, but I'm going to show you how you get those into here, okay? So first I'm going to delete this one. Okay, so for instance, this first one tells you insert a clip art of a fun thing you did this summer. So mine is going to be that I traveled to Iowa. So I'm going to go into Google, type Iowa clip art. So clip art is going to be the easiest for you. Then I'm going to scroll and find what one I want, okay? Come up here and I'm going to make the screen a little bit smaller, okay? Scroll down, I want this one, okay? So I'm going to click on it. I'm going to drag it out here. Let's do that. That shouldn't pop up for you guys though. I'm going to click out of this. Now I'm going to take this. Here's the slide I want to put it into. I'm just going to drag it right in there. Go back to full screen. And get smaller. Now if you want to, so that it fits in the circle, what I did, double click on that, see this? You can turn your image into an actual circle. So that's kind of why that eye looks a little bit strange, but it works. So then you can kind of put it right there in the middle, and that is your example. So this is your Instagram page. You can create your own. I'm posting obviously the link right here for you to find, and then you can create your own so I can get to know you a little bit better.